In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full screen in Outlook. If you want more room to read and manage your email, calendar, and contacts, the quickest way is to expand Outlook so it fills your display. On Windows, that experience is called maximizing the window. It gives you the largest workspace while keeping essential controls visible so you can focus on your inbox without the clutter of other apps. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Launch it the same way you normally do, whether it's pinned to your taskbar, on your desktop, or through the Start menu. Wait for Outlook to load fully so you can see your inbox or calendar view. Seeing your folders on the left and your messages or schedule in the main area means Outlook is ready. Next, maximize the Outlook window. Look to the very top right corner of the Outlook window frame. You'll see 3 buttons in a row. Minimize on the left, maximize in the middle, and close on the right. Click the maximize button, the one that looks like a single square. The window instantly grows to fill your screen from edge to edge. You'll know it worked when the window borders reach all 4 edges of your display, and the maximize button changes to a pair of overlapping squares. That icon indicates Outlook is now maximized. If you were to click it again, it would return to a smaller resizable window. In this expanded view, you'll have more space for the reading pane, longer subject lines, and a wider calendar grid, which makes browsing content more comfortable. A quick note about what you'll see: maximizing fills your screen but still shows the Windows taskbar along the bottom. That's expected behavior on Windows. The taskbar stays visible so you can switch apps, check the time, and access system controls without leaving Outlook. Think of it as full screen for your work area, with the taskbar kept handy for quick navigation. If Outlook already appears to touch all sides of the display when it opens, it may already be maximized. The overlapping squares icon is the visual cue. Also, on multi-monitor setups or high-resolution displays, the effect is the same. Maximizing adapts to the current monitor's size to give Outlook as much room as possible. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, click the Maximize button, and enjoy a cleaner, roomier workspace that keeps your focus where it belongs, on your email and schedule.